You and Claude can now create videos with no editing skills required. I just tested it out, turning my website into a professional announcement video, and I didn't even have to be in front of the camera. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the full process using Claude and HyperFrames, which is open source, AKA free. Now, first we have to connect HyperFrames to Claude, and I'll give you those instructions in the description. But let me ask Claude, what can HyperFrames do?
Can you check if I have HyperFrames installed? And if I do, let me know what are all the abilities that HyperFrame can do right now, so we can pick an option to make a video. Down the line, the goal is to create a video based off the new website that I have and having my AI avatar to explain what is happening. So break down all the different features that HyperFrames has.
Now, to install HyperFrame is very easy. I'm going to give you the instructions in the description, but the easy version is going into customize and connectors and just finding HyperFrames.
It's asking me some questions. Ask me some questions. Social announcement, YouTube long walkthrough, or a site embedded brand reel. So I'm going to go with a social announcement. Build site first, add avatar after. Avatar from the start. Generate your HeyGen avatar clip first. Now let's do the avatar after. The new NickySaunders.com is live. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do a reel. We'll do a reel. See what this is looking like. And if it creates something with just me answering some questions, this is where we are with AI. This is where, like, how simple creating videos and editing certain things, adding certain effects to it, that's where we're at with things. And I think that's why I'm very excited about it, because things are very, very possible now. Because I'm still shocked I have a website, dog.
Now, you just saw it ask a whole bunch of questions. What you're about to see is how it already came up with the full production. I mean, the script and exactly what's going to happen.
A whole video is a subway service announcement. A new line opens and we ride it stop by stop through the actual site. Okay. Oh, I see what you did here. Yellow line strikes down the end station dot. Okay. Origin, your Brooklyn Bridge, sunset photo. Oh, I'm excited. I don't even know what's happening. You got me at hello. A couple of things I flagged. Avatar ready. Since your avatar gets added later, this VO script is written so your HeyGen skipped on purpose. Your YouTube thumbnail and partner logo. Okay, that's fine. Want any changes? If so, I'll move to step 4. I'll ask which TTS to use. HeyGen, ElevenLabs. Okay, hold on. Okay, maybe now I want the full thing. Now I'm excited. When you talk subway, talk to me nice. Like I'm here for all of this.
So I wanted to make the video pop, and so I tagged in HeyGen and ElevenLabs. HeyGen for the avatar that I'm going to use, which is Manny, and his voice, right? Now these are 2 paid ones. You don't have to do this. You can just create the video as is. But for me, in this process, I wanted to create the avatar. So let me show you how that works.
Let's go with, because I don't want to use my voice. So I don't know why they call him Jamal. HeyGen be adding random names, okay? HeyGen be adding random names, but I do need ElevenLabs voice ID. So is this it? I think this is the one.
A wise man will make more
Yeah, we'll use that. Give me that voice ID. Okay. Back here. HeyGen. And ElevenLabs. So what I did was get the ID of the avatar that I wanted and the voice of what I wanted. So that is the avatar that I want to use and the ElevenLabs voice that I want to use. So create it with the avatar added to it.
Now to add HeyGen and ElevenLabs, all you have to do is go into customize and go to connectors.
So the avatar changed the plan in a good way. Your avatar becomes the narrator. New pipeline generates the voiceover with your ElevenLabs voice. Have your HeyGen avatar lip sync that exact audio. So let's build the composition with the avatar as an on-screen host.
There's a new stop on the map. The new NickySaunders.com is live. One line through everything I build. First stop, draft loop. One idea in, a week of content out. Next stop, Lions behavior. Creators building ecosystems together. Then the brand work, Google, HeyGen, and more. Last stop, Content Corner. 12,000 creators strong. Doors open. Come ride the line.
Okay. Okay. See what we're doing here. One thing that I like is that when it fails on something, I don't have to do anything. It just takes care of it. And I appreciate it. And I like it. And I want to see how much of my usage am I at. Oh, we're at 76. We may not be able to finish.
Now check out these results because this, just based off conversations, really impressed me.
There's a new stop on the map. The new NickySaunders.com is live. One line through everything I build. First stop, draft loop. One idea in, a week of content out. Next stop, Lions behavior. Creators building ecosystems together. Then the brand work, Google, HeyGen, and more. Last stop, Content Corner. 12,000 creators strong. Doors open. Come ride the line.
That was the whole process from front to end, how I use Claude to create a video. Now, I use, as a recap, HyperFrames, which is open source, HeyGen and ElevenLabs, which are paid. Now, you can customize it however you want. I'll give you my prompts and the links. All of that is going to be in the description and there'll be a QR code to it. But let me know what you think, okay? 1 to 10, how was the video, right? And then if you want to learn more, check this video out.